Wanna change your default apps in Windows 11 but feeling a bit lost? No sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through how to do it step by step on your Windows 11 PC. So let's dive in. First, open up Settings. Then click on Apps from the left side menu. Next, click on Default Apps. Now you can change your default apps in two ways from here. I'll go over both. Let's say you want to change the default app that opens your MP3 files. To do that, just click on the search bar, type in MP3 and select .mp3 from the suggestion. And it will show the app that opens this file format. To change it, just click on the app that showed up. Then select the app from the list that pops up. And click on Set Default. But if you know what app you want to use as default, you can use the second search bar. Let's say you want to change the default web browser to Firefox. To do this, just click on the search icon here and type in Firefox in this field. Then click on Firefox from the search result. Next, click on Set Default and it will be set as the default app. But if you just scroll a bit, you'll see that lots of file types are still linked to your old browser. That means those files will still open in that browser. To change this, just click on the file extension here and select the browser you want to open these files. You can use the File Explorer to change your default app. To do this, open up the File Explorer on your PC and find a file that you want to change the default app for. Let's say you want to change the default video player. So just find a video file, right-click on it, then hover over Open and select Choose Another App. Now select the app you want and click on Always. And from now on, all the videos will be played with that app. So guys, that's how you change the default apps in Windows 11. If the video proved to be useful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.